R. Kelly defense emerges, including saying accusers are lying. Chicago R. Kelly yelled through tears in a recent TV interview before an audience numbering in the millions, saying he's in a fight for his life to disprove sexual abuse charges. That fight will ult while the day lawyers deliver opening statements to jurors inside a Cook County courtroom is still many months or even years away. Court filings and comments by his lead attorney after the R&B star was charged in February provide clues about an emerging legal strategy. Based on comments by Kelly and his attorney, they intend to question the veracity of his accusers and argue that, if he had sex with them, it was consensual and he thought they were of age. His attorney has Kelly, 52, was right in more ways than one when he cursed during the interview with Gayle King of CBS. The process of vetting evidence from prosecutors hasn't begun, and after wading through it all, the defense is expected to fine-tune their argument that Kelly's accusers are misrepresenting the facts. For now, they're all. Greenberg is best known for representing the accused in several high-profile murder cases, including of former suburban Chicago police officer Drew Peterson. He was convicted. Greenberg is regarded as a savvy lawyer, prone to quips that sometimes raise eyebrows. In arguing that Greenberg and attorney Michael Avenatti have regularly clashed via Twitter, both questioning the lawyerly skills of the other. Avenatti, who prosecutors say they won't have to depend on the word of the accusers. The video Avenatti turned over purportedly shows Kelly having sex with an underage girl 20 years ago, while Kelly and the girl say aloud more than 10 times that she's 14, which could prove he knew she was underage. And another accuser, a hairdresser, says Kelly forced her to perform oral sex on him in 2003 when she was 24. Prosecutors say in a defense filing Wednesday, Greenberg questioned the motives of Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx, accusing her of bringing a flimsy criminal case based on old allegations too. A Fox spokeswoman declined comment. Greenberg has also criticized Fox for public statements in January, calling allegations against Kelly in a Lifetime documentary sickening. He said the contention that Kelly never knowingly had sex with a minor will rely on Kelly's own believability. The girl in the video is the same girl in a similar video at the heart of the 2008 trial, Avenatti said. Greenberg said that double. But legal experts say it's not that simple. Double jeopardy doesn't apply if it's not the same incident being charged, explained Mona Beatty, a professor at DePaul University College of Law. He said it also. Greenberg has said the legal window on bringing at least some of the charges filed against Kelly shut years ago, though he hasn't fully explained how. Calculating when Illinois legislators in 2017 did erase all time limits for charging sexual assault of children, and it unambiguously applies to such crimes that happened anytime since 2017. It can't apply, but that doesn't mean any sex abuse by Kelly in the late 1990s can't be charged now, Beatty said. That's because
raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.